This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the tracker software and Riot access ready. This is where the process actually begins. Download and install the tracker, then sign in with your Riot account and grant the minimum app permissions required for match data. Once done, generate a private API key or local token inside the tracker settings and save it in a secure file or password manager. Make sure the tracker runs with admin rights so it can read local game logs and capture match telemetry immediately when a game launches. Now you configure how the tracker reads and stores game events. In the settings, enable live match capture, point the tracker at your Valorant logs folder, and choose a local database or flat file storage. Next, set retention policies and optional encryption for the private dataset so nothing leaks. Then fine-tune event filters, select kills, damage, economy, ability usage, and round state so the tracker parses only what you need. Finally, test with one match to confirm the parser interprets ID and maps correctly before moving on. Finish by running a complete match and watching the private dashboard populate in real time. You should see rounds, player stats, and heat maps if enabled. Once verified, lock the tracker with a local-only server mode, password protection, or an IP whitelist to keep it private. If something fails, enable verbose tracker logs and confirm Riot log path, API token validity, and firewall or port forwarding settings. If data's still missing, restart the tracker and Valorant, then rerun a match while monitoring the verbose logs for obvious errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.